I just want you to let you guys know that I probably won't be on Thursday because first off, I'll be in Kalahari. That's not my natural state. It's not really where I live. I'll be visiting my friend who also lives in Ohio. Yeah, I probably just will be asleep in the car the whole time, so I probably will forget about it. Um, Hopefully I get better, but I don't really even know. So, yeah. What I'm working with right now in school is not good. So I'll try my hardest to get either a uh, gaming video up, a vlog, or beauty video up. Probably not a gaming video or a beauty video, but a vlog I can try. But thank you guys so much, and yeah, subscribe.